Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the screen recording features between the Realme X2 versus a Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So in this video, we'll get to know what device records the resolution in the screen recording in both the phones. So which has the highest recordings and which has got better features inbuilt when compared with both the phones, Realme X2 versus a Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So if you're new to my channel and it's first time if you're watching the video, subscribe to my channel friends. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of Realme X2 and Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So you can find plenty of videos which I did recently on the Realme X2 device. And now let me get back to the test here in terms of the screen recording with using the inbuilt default application. The fastest way to access the screen recording settings is that you need to long press on the icon on the notification bar. So then it will straight away take you to a direct menu of the screen recording. So as you can see friends, first let me talk about the Realme X2 device. You can see it has got very minimal features when compared with the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. Clearly you can see the Redmi Note 8 Pro device has got plenty of features installed in the device, so which is very advantage for the screen recording in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device when compared with the Realme X2 phone. And in the Realme X2 phone, let's check. The first thing is that to check the video resolution, whether it can record 1080 or 720. Let's see right now. As you can see friends, it can only record 720 resolution, which is very disappointing considering the price of the mobile phone Realme X2 device. So which is very bad and not at all good for the mobile gaming screen recordings, which is not good. And next option, we got the record screen taps. So all the touch will be recorded while playing the game or while using the screen recording. Even there is an option for the front camera as well. So these are three in the features. When in terms of the audio, there is no inbuilt audio recording. It is only showing that the sound will be recorded. That means, for example, if you connect the earphones to the mobile phone, the game audio will not be recorded. If you're playing the game in the loudspeaker, then only the audio will be recorded from the mic, whatever you're talking, and the game audio. So these are very disadvantage for the resolution and in terms of the audio as well. And let's check whether the same problem is in the Redmi Note 8 Pro or it has got better features when compared with the Realme X2 device. So first thing I'm going to check is that resolution at what you can record actually in the device. As you can see, you can record 1080p device, which is very good and advantage for the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. First point for that. And even you can select the video quality as well. If you want to choose 4 Mbps or 1 Mbps, that's another good advantage. Even the orientation, so usually I'll choose the landscape because I'll be playing most of the screen recording only while playing the games. And next is the sound source, which you can select either the mic or system sounds, so which is very good, which is not present in the Realme X2 device. So if you select the system sounds, so if you're playing the game audio will be recorded internally, which is very good thing in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So you can choose either of the one, mic or system sounds, which is very good. At least you got that kind of option to choose in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So in terms of the resolution, in terms of the audio, the clear winner is a Redmi Note 8 Pro device without any doubt. You can see here. And even you can select the frame rates as well if you want 24 frame rates or 30 fps, which is very good. So usually I'll be preferring to select the 30 fps feature here. And if you want to show the touch gestures, you can show that. And next, what are the features? Oh, that's it guys. These are the quick main features which I've got in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So even you can choose this fixed frame rate as well, which will maintain the constant frame rate throughout the screen recording, which is very good. So overall friends, in terms of the screen recording when compared with the Realme X2 versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, I feel the Redmi Note 8 Pro has got plenty of features inbuilt when compared with the Realme X2 device, so which is very good. So for more comparison videos, subscribe to my channel friends. Don't forget to check the links in description for that if you want to watch more videos between both the phones. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.